Thank you, Leo. Kago says, so does this mean a network with fewer layers is basically better than a deep network? Not always, Kago. Not always. Because depending on the problem, you're going to need a deep network, and there's ways for you as a data scientist to combat the vanishing gradient problem. I won't say some of those today because we can kind of leave that as a little bit of a homework. Like I said, if you guys want to go out and Google the vanishing gradient problem, and maybe you'll come across some of those answers. So yeah, Kago, you shouldn't take it to mean that. You should just take it to mean that it's something you need to be aware of and you need to be kind of vigilant about. Okay. Landry says complex models can memorize the training data instead of learning patterns, which is another issue. Sure. Yeah, I mean, all models can have that issue, right? In the sense that it could be like an overfitting issue by, I want to say like by mistake or like by casual usage, right? But yes, Landry's right that neural networks can be overfit in a very significant way. It's a lot easier to do that than you would think it is, right? All right. So I think we've covered some of that complexity. And again, these are all things for you to think about, because if you want to be responsible and present a balanced view of your work, you would always bring up the complexities, or you're going to be asked these things, right? Before somebody gives you a green light, before they fund your project, before they give you the budget, they're going to want to know the risks, right? So we ourselves should be aware of the risks, right? Okay, so let's talk about this. What are the requirements of an input layer? Right, let's keep going. Let's keep going with the with kind of like the risks and complexities, right? So in the chat, let me know what are the requirements of an input layer. Anybody want to just kind of list off a couple things? Let me know. Also, what is the maximum value of input layers that we can have? If you guys want another question, try that one. Leo says, if you're interested in going deeper and by in between classes, make your own neural network by Tariq Rashid. It's great. Yeah, guys, and I recommend it at the end of this deck, Leo. But thank you for the reminder.